By the age of 50, most people had lost 40% lung capacity. By the age of 80, most had lost 60% lung capacity. How would they do that? They stop using those lungs, start sitting like this. They become high chest breathers. They're not exercising. How can you retain it? Run up and down those hills every day. Strengthen your abdominal muscles. Do your push-ups every day. Do your core strengthening exercises every day. And breathe deeply and make sure those windows are open, especially while you're sleeping. So you can prevent loss of that lung capacity if you do that. And if you have lost that lung capacity, you can regain it by exercising it. And how do you exercise it? Breathing very, very deeply. So what we have done here is we have explored many ways that you can ensure that you're getting adequate oxygen. I know when I was homeschooling my children and the long division was getting difficult, and I found the children, when they're not getting something, they can even be difficult to work with. They're feeling bad. So I'd call a break. Skipping rope, trampoline, run around the house 3 times, get on your bike. They'd come back 10 minutes later like this. And you see the face?